For over 80 years, Zoeller has been the brand most trusted by the professional contractor. Synonymous with quality and reliability, we've taken those same values and brought them to the home consumer. Every pump is 100% factory wet tested before it leaves our factory, so you can rest assured the pump will work right out of the box. Zoeller offers a complete line of pumps for any home water movement need: sump, sewage, utility, well, and sprinkler pumps. The Zoeller 1/3 horsepower sump pump is among the most recognized pump in the plumbing industry as reliably overcoming common sump pump failures. These failure points include clogged impellers, motor failure from running hot and overheating, and switch failure. The Zoeller 1/3 horsepower sump pump uses the Zoeller non-clogging vortex impeller design, which allows for half-inch solids to pass through the pump, keeping the pit free of debris and the impeller less likely to clog. It also features cast iron construction around the motor, allowing heat to dissipate, keeping the motor running in a cooler environment than plastic pump material. Finally, the Zoeller 1/3 horsepower sump pump uses the proven Zoeller switch, which has been tested for over 1 million on-off cycles, and the solid buoyant white float, which won't crack or leak. The Zoeller half horsepower sewage pump utilizes many of the same features as the Zoeller 1/3 horsepower sump pump with cast iron motor and proven Zoeller switch design. This pump will readily pass 2-inch solids, which is a code requirement for sewage pumps in most areas. All Zoeller pumps are made with all stainless steel hardware that won't rust, powder-coated epoxy finish that won't corrode, and the Zoeller recognized switch guard that protects the float from foreign pit obstructions, and grounded plug with electrical overload protection. Zoeller offers a line of jet and submersible well pumps that are 100% factory tested, easy to maintain, and built to last. Zoeller, trusted home solutions.